All right, everyone. So we're back at my boy Chang's garage. We're gonna go back to working on his wife's Nismo 370Z. So in the last video, we were doing the wire tuck. In this video, we're actually gonna rip apart more of the front end. Basically take the whole front clip off, and then from there, we're gonna remove the timing covers and everything. In this video, we're gonna be basically doing a prep, and I will have to come back here for another video, and that's when we're going to be doing like valve covers and water pump and everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Yo.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
Long time no see.
We're back at, yeah, I know, I was gonna say, we're back at it again.
So the whole front end is gonna be coming apart. Just about half of it's about done. But everything else is gonna be coming off. From what I was told, everything can come off in one piece. Regardless of that, the freon is going to be discharged. I've never done this, so I don't know. The AC line is going to be disconnected. Other than that, cleaning up some other hoses along here just to clean it up a little bit more. From that point on, valve cover gaskets, valve covers going to get cleaned off, spark plugs, and then from here, the timing chain is coming off. The timing chain cover is coming off. And then the timing chain and everything else that goes behind it is all going to get replaced. So water pump, the thermostat is going to be replaced with a Z1 lower temp thermostat. So from that point on, everything else, coolant hoses are going to get switched out to silicone. Pretty much a big maintenance done to this car.
Love it. Love it. Keep this thing on the road longer. I'm all for it.
Exactly, man. So that should be it pretty much so far for what we're going to be doing.
Cool. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Oh, yeah.
Bolt here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these three up here. And then this right here. This is how you stay organized. Yep, there you go, there you go. There you go.
Little juice came out.
Where do you want it?
Probably on my back.
Okay.
Is there any more coolant in here or no?
If anything, let's lean it forward.
Oh, bro! I just got that on film. Is that the 14? I just got that.
All right, so to pop that clip right there, 10mm socket. Remember in the last video where I busted my knuckles because, I ran that wire through here? And, Chang decided to remove the intake manifold after I left. Now look what we're doing. Thanks, Chang. Appreciate it, buddy. Can't even look at the camera.
I'm sorry, did you say something?
Shame. Bro, was that like Mary Poppins' purse? What did you just pull out of there? I was not expecting that. There's one more right here. We have to take the crank pulley off first. Okay, next we're going to be removing the valve cover to ensure that the motor is at top dead center. So once you get all these bolts around the perimeter of the valve cover, little ghost bolt right here. Right here, mark right there. Cams are top dead center. That
bottom
one's
portion
loose.
is loose.
That one's loose.
That one's very loose.
That one's loose. That's tight. That's crazy. Oh, this makes me nervous for my car. Oh my god. Oh, that one's loose. That's crazy. We need to put a paper clip in here because it is spring loaded. And that's pretty much it. That's gonna stop that from backing out on me. Broken gasket.
There it is. Wow. We're gonna do a really good one right here.
Okay.
Please, no cops. Holy ah, damn! Yo, this thing likes to get fucking down, dude.
You got me cheesing over here. That was great. That was great.
Thank you for letting me drop this.
Dude, of course.
Thank you for trusting me too.
Oh, dude, of course.
Oh my god.
Okay.
That sounds better in person. Oh my god.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. That makes me happy.
I did. Like I said, I really appreciate you for letting me drop.
Oh, come on, man. It's all good. As long as you didn't kill us, I'm happy.
I'm doing a small flyby right here. Nothing
Okay.
crazy.
As long as your neighbors don't care.
Oh shit!
Yeah. She booked. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this video today. As you saw, we got a lot of work done. Pretty much the whole motor's taken apart. And we're gonna stop it here because we have some parts that are still on order, still some parts that still need to be ordered. And we wanna make sure we have everything here before we tackle this job any further. And give us another rundown of what is planning, because I feel like the list is growing as we were taking this car apart.
It is. So, long story short, I guess to sum everything up, we're going to be doing pretty much all the maintenance that a VQ needs. So it would be essentially spark plugs, valve cover gaskets. As y'all can tell, the whole timing cover is off. So the chain, tensioners, oil gallery gaskets, those are all going to get done. The thermostat is going to get replaced out with a Z1 lower temp thermostat just to keep the temps a little bit cooler.
Yep.
New water pump, obviously all new gaskets for everything that's being touched up here. What else is there? I think that's pretty much just about it. Yes. Potentially maybe new motor mounts. That might be a future video for him. I'm just trying to figure out what else to get since we're all right here. If you guys have any ideas, go ahead and drop comments in the video. But other than that, yeah, that should be just about it.
Yeah, like I said, we got a lot done today, and we got a lot more coming up. So, yeah, we're going to end the video here. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.